Nifty has finally given a decisive break before below the 24,300 level. Let's see what happens in the coming days. And tomorrow is an expiry day, so you have to be extra careful. It's highly likely that tomorrow could just be another inside time waste day. Let's just look at the option chain to see what the positioning is. So you can see the market makers are likely positioned by call selling and put selling both, that they're expecting a sideways day between 24,200 and 24,300 tomorrow. That seems like the likely range. And if we come here, the expected support should come around 24,140. So that is looking like the next tight range. So we're expecting a small fall and then 1, 2 days of consolidation and then perhaps another fall because the market is looking quite negative. The news flow from US and Iran are not improving one bit. And now Donald Trump is threatening to fight with Oman as well. He's literally gone crazy. So let's just analyze the floor and ceiling support for Nifty once, get a true picture of the levels. Yeah, so we can see that Nifty had tried to breach this ceiling of 24,770 and now it's formed a new high over there. So 24,800 is now the new local high, and until this level breaches, we're not going to see much more upside. And on the downside, we have support only at 23,600. So if you see the current spot price is 24,287. This is showing the previous day's price. Ignore this. So from 287, you have a 500 point upside or a 500 point downside. So we're right in the middle of the range. So until this range breaches, we're not going to see much constructive action. This smaller range break will lead to 4, 5 days of moves. But for a larger move, we need to get above this level or below this level. Until either of those happen, we're not going to see a sustained move in Nifty or sustained downside towards any level. Now let's look at a couple of individual stocks which are on our radar. The first is Cipla. Cipla is looking extremely weak. It has given a small breakdown from this level. If you see this level, so it's looking like it's made a top for now, and the pharma sector itself is looking slightly topish. So this is a stock you have to keep on a radar, and you can short it and you can expect this target of 1400 or even this level 1360. These are the next two big supports I would play for this level. And now one stock you can consider going long is HAL. Like you can see, it's giving a small breakout from this level. And yesterday it tried to rally very hard and came back. So maybe it'll spend 1 or 2 days. And then as the news flow for the war comes out, it'll go back up. This is just telling me that people know that there's some escalation going to come. So to summarize, what's the final trade plan for Nifty? Let's just look at the option chain one last time. So the option chain is very neutral. Let's look at the FII/DI activity. The FIIs are also neutral. They are not really selling much. Yesterday's data has not been updated for some reason. I will have to check that. So we can ignore this. And on the other hand, let's just look at some block/insider deals. So as we can see, most of the deals which are happening, apart from this one, Style Bazaar deal by Aditya Kumar Halvasia, have mostly been high frequency trades. So this market is mostly dominated by high frequency trades right now. So you have to be slightly careful and move in and out a bit faster. And the sectors which are likely to be strong in the coming week are media, auto, IT, and realty. And the PSU banks and FMCG sectors are likely to lag, and metals are completely headline driven. So that was our analysis for today. I hope you guys found it useful and stay tuned for more.